2006 Hummer H3, one owner, 44,000 original miles, alloy wheels, brand new tires, running boards, tow package, vehicles like new, in and out, one owner, no accidents, all original. Very rare vehicle, one owner, 44,000 original miles, non-molested, fog lights, cloth seats, power windows, locks and mirrors, both sets of keys, owner's manual, 44,000 miles, everything works, 4x4, there's the Carfax report, owner's manual, both sets of keys, original floor mats, back seats are like new. (2006) Hummer H3, four-wheel drive, one owner, 44,000 original miles, Carfax certified, all original, no accidents.